Hey, welcome back to Alice Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're going to check out the Adidas case. This is the Ultrasuede case, free stripe snapback case, but this one retails for $45. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out, but it comes in two different colors. You've got this navy blue like the one I'm wearing, but it comes in a black version as well. But yeah, let's begin with the video. So this is the packaging itself. As you can see, Adidas always does an amazing job of the packaging, and I want to give them a big shout out for sending this out for me to review. But this is their free stripe Ultrasuede snap case for the iPhone 11 Pro. So you can see we've got some drop protection, we've got this easy cleaning Ultrasuede fabric finish, and of course it works with wireless charging, which is always nice. On the back, nothing, such a small detail, but yeah, let's open this up. Inside we've got the case here, inside a plastic cover, but then here you've got your protection details. So it is a TPU construction, we've got wireless charging, and we've got premium material, which is always nice. But yeah, let's pull this out. Let's just have a look at the case itself. And this is the case, as you can see that. Okay, that is very soft. As you can see, the color changes depending on which way I've moved that fabric. But yeah, it gives nice matching to my top. As you can see, that's a very nice navy color, and we have the straight stripes here. But yeah, this feels like the sneakers, you know, the ones they have on the side. They actually have that soft feeling, but I do love this gold touch as well, and they're gonna go really well with my gold iPhone. But yeah, as you can see at the back, we do have this sturdy back here, but remember this is a TPU case, as you can see, nice and soft around the edges, but the back is nice and sturdy, which is really good. But yeah, it actually feels nice. Let me put my phone in here. Right now I've got one of these bright blue ones. If you haven't watched my video on that, I'll leave a link in the description for that. Okay, let's try this one on. So volume rockets in first, snaps in really well, and there it is. You can see that it's really nice, and that gold is nice matching there. But yeah, let's look at the cutouts. At the bottom we've got a big cutout for your charging port as well as your speaker growers, so that's really nice, and I'm sure you can fit most cables through that. On the side we've got a little lanyard, so if you want to hatch something like that, you can do that. Power button, yeah, that works fine. Nothing at the top. We've got a decent cutout for your volume rocker switch. That works fine, and we have a volume up and down. So let me just open my phone. So you can see volume up works fine. Let's just wait for that to go big. And yeah, that works fine, so that's good. And we have a decent cutout for the camera as well. So let's look at lip protection. So at the front, I'm not sure how well you can pick up this on camera, but we do have a tiny lip protection. So that's there. So you're gonna get some screen protection there, which is really good. On the back, you do have protection for the camera and everything, and all the ports are covered, so that is really good. But overall, I'm digging this color, I have to say that. That is a very nice. Yeah, that's just a stunning color. As you can see, the fabric, everything feels nice. This one has more of a rugged feel, but this is a different fabric. Ultrasuede is the same premium material. But I think I like this one more. Like, it just feels really nice in the hand. Probably might pick up the black one as well, but I'm digging this navy blue, and that looks nice, you have to admit that. And for the price, cases are really expensive normally when you're getting some branded cases, but this Adidas case really does the job. That premium material looks really nice. I haven't had any cases with that touch there, that fabric Suede. It's really nice in the hand. Like, you have to try. I'm sure you've seen some materials that when you move it different ways, you get that different color shade. You have to, that's the feel you're getting here as well. It's just really nice. And for the price, I'm not gonna complain. Like, even Apple sells their cases for 50, and this is only 45, and I've seen other cases going up to 100, 200. You know, there's cases really expensive, but for the price of this, I really love it. and it comes in 2 different colors. So you've got this navy blue. If you don't prefer, you can always pick up a black one. It would be nice to see like a pink version or white version as well, but for now they only have 2 color options. And of course it comes for iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max as well, so if you want to check those out, I'll leave a link in the description as always. But yeah, this is my quick review of the Adidas Ultrasuede snap case with the 3 stripes, and I'm loving it. I would recommend this to anyone. This will make a nice Christmas gift, or just a gift for yourself if you're looking for a new case. This will do the job, and I'm digging it. But yeah, that is just my quick review of this case. If you do want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description as always. But yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next one. Take care.